In the heart of Manchester, a once glorious club prepared. Sir Jim Ratcliffe, a man with a vision and the wallet of a Netflix free trial, has pledged support for a summer rebuild with a groundbreaking budget of £11.75 and two Weetabix vouchers. Meanwhile, at the training ground, the lads prepare for the final match with high intensity, or as high as one can get, when cones are missing and the balls are flat. As kickoff approaches, the squad is reminded that pride is everything, mostly because their bonuses were cut and the club shop ran out of Red Devils keychains.
We're still massive, mate, even if we never play Wednesday or Thursday nights forever.
This may be the end of a season, but it's the beginning of a rebuild, a long, confusing, underfunded rebuild, starring no marquee signings, just vibes, and Amad Diallo. Subscribe for more tragic optimism and budget transfer dreams. United, we fall.